Welcome to my channel Class Winner by Shri Shyam Books, All India number 1 skill books publisher. Viva Voce questions. Unit 4. Create a positive impression at the workplace. 1. What is the purpose of client consultation? Answer. To understand client needs and preferences. 2. Why is greeting important in a salon? Answer. It creates a positive first impression. 3. How should a therapist introduce themselves? Answer. Professionally and politely. 4. What type of questions should be asked during consultation? Answer. Open-ended questions. 5. Why is active listening important? Answer. It helps understand the client properly. 6. What should be maintained while talking to a client? Answer. Eye contact and positive body language. 7. Why should services be explained clearly? Answer. To avoid confusion and misunderstanding. 8. Why is client consent important? Answer. To ensure agreement before starting service. 9. What is professional body language? Answer. Confident posture, eye contact, and polite gestures. 10. Why is confidentiality important? Answer. To protect clients' personal information. 11. What is the purpose of role play in training? Answer. To practice real-life situations. 12. Why is polite language important? Answer. It shows respect and professionalism. 13. What should be avoided during consultation? Answer. Interrupting the client. 14. Why should false promises be avoided? Answer. To maintain trust and honesty. 15. How does proper communication improve service quality? Answer. It increases client satisfaction. 16. How should a new client be welcomed? Answer. Politely and professionally. 17. What should be asked during new client consultation? Answer. Preferences, allergies, and expectations. 18. How should a dissatisfied client be handled? Answer. With patience and calmness. 19. What should you do if a client complains? Answer. Listen and offer a solution. 20. Why is apologizing important for inconvenience? Answer. It shows responsibility and care. 21. How should a therapist behave with an angry client? Answer. Stay calm and professional. 22. Why is problem solving important in client handling? Answer. It resolves issues effectively. 23. What should be done if a client has skin allergy? Answer. Perform a patch test. 24. Why is medical history important before treatment? Answer. To avoid harmful reactions. 25. What should be avoided in allergy cases? Answer. Risky procedures. 26. How should a client in hurry be handled? Answer. Calmly and efficiently. 27. Should service quality be compromised for speed? Answer. No. 28. Why should realistic time be explained? Answer. To manage expectations. 29. What is the importance of patience in client handling? Answer. It builds trust. 30. Why should arguments with clients be avoided? Answer. To maintain professionalism. 31. Why is professional appearance important? Answer. It creates positive impression. 32. What is the importance of respectful tone? Answer. It builds client comfort. 33. Why should personal information not be shared? Answer. To maintain confidentiality. 34. What is the role of confidence in communication? Answer. It builds client trust. 35. Why should hygiene standards be followed? Answer. To ensure safety and professionalism. 36. What creates a positive first impression? Answer: polite greeting and neat appearance. 37. Why is good communication important in workplace? Answer: it improves teamwork and service. 38. What skill helps in understanding client emotions? Answer: active listening. 39. How does clear explanation help the client? Answer: it increases satisfaction. 40. Why is honesty important in salon services? Answer: to maintain long-term relationships. 41. What is customer satisfaction? Answer: meeting client expectations. 42. How can trust be built with clients? Answer: through honesty and professionalism. 43. Why should therapists remain calm under pressure? Answer: to handle situations effectively. 44. What quality improves repeat business? Answer: good service and communication. 45. Why is feedback important? Answer: it helps improve service quality. 46. What is active listening? Answer: listening carefully without interrupting. 47. What is the benefit of positive body language? Answer: it shows confidence and friendliness. 48. Why is clear speech important? Answer: to avoid misunderstanding. 49. How does professional behavior impact reputation? Answer: it improves salon image. 50. What is the main goal of positive workplace impression? Answer: to build trust and ensure client satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.